Hey everybody, this is Ben Mitchell here. I wanted to personally record this video, get it sent out to you today, mainly because I've talked to so many of you in the past, whether it be through phone call, maybe even through email. Of course, for those of you who haven't had a chance to get to know me yet, or me get to know you, I look forward to that opportunity right around the corner. Now, I wanted to reach out to you guys today to clarify a few things, because clarity is certainly something that we want for all of our students. We want you to understand exactly how TRADEway delivers its education and its support services, and exactly how you can benefit from it the most. The first thing that I want to start with is this. When you first made your investment into your TRADEway education, it could have been a couple of years ago, could have been a few months ago. Regardless, you were most likely told something along the lines of, you will have lifetime access to this education. Now, some of you guys hear that and then fast forward a number of months and then maybe told something along the lines of, hey, we need to get your billing updated so that your services aren't interrupted, or something like that. And then you start thinking, wait, I thought I had lifetime access to this. Well, let me start there, because it is absolutely true. You do have lifetime access to the core educational system that TRADEway has to offer, and that we have built our company upon for the last 15 plus years. This is something that David Mitchell brought to the table, and it's where we started from the beginning. Now, whether you invested in Master Trader, maybe it's Classic Trader, maybe even Basic Trader, you are going to have lifetime access to your educational system, the foundational education that TRADEway has to offer. We're talking about everything you need to know for becoming a proficient stock trader, maybe even an options trader, depending on what program you invested in. You have access forever, for life, to the core education that we have to offer, to a number of foundational courses, to many home study courses, and even more than that. You're never going to lose it. You'll always have access to it. So in that regard, you were told exactly right, and you will never lose access to those things. These are the types of things that we teach you guys that you only have to invest in one time, but that you can then pass down to the next generation and even the one after that. These are lifetime skill sets you'll never lose. You'll now have them forever, and we hope that you will be able to become proficient in them, not just for your own sake, but so that you can be that proficient teacher for the next generation later. That's one of our dreams here at TRADEway, and we hope that we are able to accomplish that through you guys. Now let's talk about the other side of this for just a second. In addition to the core education that we offer and that you guys have forever, we also offer over here a number of support services that we deliver via various subscriptions or memberships, as you could call them. And these are ways that our coaches and that our support staff can come in, support you guys, and as we like to put it, hold your hand, especially during those initial months, maybe even the initial couple of years of you becoming that proficient, independent trader. Listen, there's something called time compression. Something that we are trying to do is infuse 40 plus years of experience into y'all's trading journey within just a matter of months, maybe even a couple of years. Of course, that 40 plus years come from David Mitchell alone. That's not even to include the experience of all of our other coaches and trainers. We want you guys to have access to that kind of skill and that kind of wisdom and experience, but much quicker than someone like David Mitchell had to acquire it, because he was starting from scratch. And so in order for us to accomplish that time compression, we offer these memberships so that every single week you can hop on as many as 5 to 10 webinars to hear from our coaches, have provided ticker symbols, trade ideas, support, get your questions answered, potential trades for that very week without you having to put in the work to find all of it. Of course, you're learning how to do that the whole time, but we know that that's not going to be very easy for the brand new trader. So we want you guys to have access to those webinars. That's one of the reasons why we want you guys to get your billing info updated so that you don't have those services interrupted. But what else do we have to offer? The online community. You guys have access to conversing with hundreds, maybe even thousands of your fellow traders, let alone your TRADEway coaches out there, getting to learn from their experience, getting to ask them questions, getting to, again, cut down that learning curve and get in there faster, becoming that proficient trader through the experience of thousands of other people. We don't want you to lose access to that. What about Charts by TRADEway? It's your one-stop shop for not only getting your charts, but also being able to trade directly from the platform and having access to screeners and watch lists and all kinds of things directly from our coaches. You have access to all that through our TRADEway memberships like Trader Pro, and we don't want those services interrupted. These are the ways that not only we support you guys on a month-to-month basis, but frankly, It's how we support our TRADEway staff. It's how we keep TRADEway going and becoming a business that can help as many of our brothers and sisters in Christ out there as possible, breaking down the confusing world of finance for our students. So here's all you have to do. Now that you have an idea of the distinction between what you have access to forever and the monthly memberships that we have to offer, which is where you get your help, your support, your coaching from, all you have to do is go to account.tradeway.com. That's account.tradeway.com, and you will have access to everything. You'll be able to adjust your subscriptions. You'll be able to update your billing. You'll be able to update your credit card information if that's what you need to do. You'll be able to see what subscription you have access to, which subscriptions you are currently subscribed to. You'll be able to see all of it. So go in there, do what you need to do, and keep those services from being interrupted so that we can continue to deliver all of the services that we have been and that we want to continue to deliver for you and your family. Of course, if you have any questions at all you have to do is email support@tradeway.com, and my team, myself included, will be there to respond as soon as we possibly can to get the ball rolling, help you guys out, answer any additional questions you may have, and we'll go from there. You guys have a good one. Go to account.tradeway.com, get everything in order, and happy trading.